Hello guys, welcome to Country Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of this air compressor. This is basically an air compressor that is rechargeable, and essentially you can pump up like your tires for like your bike or car or air mattress or ball. I'm going to unbox it. We're going to do a review of how it works. I'm going to try and pump my bike with it. I'm going to see how it performs. So I got this from TikTok shop, and as you can see, this is what you get in the box. You get the styrofoam. Let's just take it all out of the box. You've got the USB Type-C charging cable. You've got the attachments, so you can put it on your Tyre. You've got the user manual, so everything's empty now. You've got the user manual. It tells you how to use it. As you can see, it shows that you can pump various things. Alright, so let's have a look at the air compressor itself. So of course, you've got the Type-C cable, which I already showed. You've got the accessories. You've got the actual valve here. So yeah, let's take a look at this air compressor. We're going to open it up. As you can see, this is the air compressor. It shows you right here what it is. It's actually 12 volts, but I'm sure you could charge it. See, it's actually got a USB-A port, so it's basically, in a way, this is actually a power bank. Really interesting. So, without further ado, let's test it. Let's turn it on. We've even got a light on here, so let's press the light button. As you can see, it's got a light. So, it's got charge right out of the box. We've got red flashing. We've got dual red. Let's turn it on. Maybe if you press and hold it. Right, so it's got 0 PSI. I think you have to actually connect something. Okay, so as you can hear, it's really loud. So it shows you can go through the different settings. So if you look at the instructions, it will tell you what mode it's on. So you want it on bike mode. You've got the pressure display, so how much PSI you want, and it will tell you the battery. So the battery, as you can see here, is full. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off now. You press and hold it to turn it off. It tells you how long it takes to charge, so it'll take 4 to 5 hours by USB Type-C. It didn't really tell me how many milliamps this battery is. Like, even on here, it should tell me, but I don't see it anywhere. In a way, this is actually a power bank as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on. You press and hold it to turn it back on. I'm going to press this to change the modes. So if you want it on car, put it on this mode. When on bike, turn it on this mode. I don't know what that middle thing is. I think that's a motorbike. And then you got a ball, which is 9 PSI, which is what it recommends. And as you can see, you can change the PSI by pressing plus and negative, which is really interesting. I wonder if I can reset it. So like if I press this, if I long press it, will it reset? Actually no, it changes the units. So now it's changing to, I want it on PSI, I want it on 45 PSI. Another thing that came with the air compressor is this pouch. So you can store all your accessories that came with it. So I'm gonna store this first. Alright, so it fits in nicely. Doesn't seem like it has space for anything else. So if I just put the air compressor in, that's all it's got space for. And plus, it doesn't stay closed. Like, it'll just open up. Ain't really a good pouch, but let's try and put everything else in here. Let's see if we can fit everything. So I've got my accessories, Type-C cable, and the valve, which we've got here. You can probably put it on the side over here. Let's see if we can. So yeah, I put it on the side over here, and it all fits. So yeah, that's the good thing about this. You can fit pretty much everything that was in the box in here. The only thing is it won't close up. That is the only issue, but other than that, you can just store it away, and it's pretty convenient. Alright, so I've got my bike wheel over here, and we're gonna see if it actually fits onto this air compressor that I've got. So I've figured out that on the valve, when you press this down, as you can see, it actually gets smaller, so it actually squeezes that, so it creates an airtight seal on the valve, so you can pump it up quite easily. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put this in. It's got a green ring around it so that you don't leak air. So I'm just going to do it as tight as I can. And as you can see, tightly on. So as you can see, that's how you put it on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on now. So right now it's on bike mode. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this, apply this and put this on my bike. So you can hear a lot of air. I'm going to quickly squeeze it. Alright, for some reason it's not going on. I'm not sure why. Alright, so I figured out that you actually need an attachment. I looked in the attachments bag. Alright, so in the bag, I found this little valve. And I think that should fit on my bike. It's got a press the valve on there. So I'm going to put it on here first. I'm going to close it so that it doesn't come off, as you can see. So it's not, now that's not going anywhere. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the bike pump. So I'm going to put it on now. And I'm going to turn it on. Alright, so now as you can see, it's 5.5 PSI. I just got to make sure I hold it like this. Maybe I can put it here and it should still pump. It's taken a while to pump up. I'm going to get back to you once it's on the full. Alright, so it's staying around 15 PSI. It's not going any higher. Not sure why. Maybe it's not creating enough seal. Alright, so I made sure it's proper tight now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so it's pumping quite fast now, as you can see. It's currently on 9.5 PSI. Alright, so at 16 psi it just came off again. I pumped it successfully. I just have to make sure this seal was properly on. It wasn't on properly, but it's on now. But once it's on, I was able to get it up to 45 psi. Another thing about this bike pump is that it heats up quite a bit. Just keep that in mind. I'm actually going to put the pressure a little bit up. So as you can see, if you press this button, you can increase the psi. It says max 45 on here. It doesn't let me put it for higher for some reason. So look, when I go to 45, it goes back to 26, which is strange. So yeah, this pump can't do more than 45, which is enough. 45 is enough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pump the other tyre to show you on camera. Alright, so I'm going to just press the valve. This has already got quite a bit of air in there, but I'm going to pump it up to 45 on camera. And you should hear no air come out when you put it in the middle. And I'm going to turn it on now. So already 16 psi. And I'm going to let it pump to 45. Alright, so it's on 45 now, as you can see. So yeah, this bike's nice and pumped now. So this is a really good bike pump. So I pumped both my tyres up to 45 psi. I'm gonna press it, and as I could feel, it's really pumped up. So essentially, this is basically like an oversized power bank. It probably doesn't have a lot of milliamp hours because the internals are probably full of hardware for pumping tyres. If you carry this around with you, then you need emergency power for your phone or something, then it serves as a power bank. Absolutely no issue. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to check the charging performance. The cool thing is that I actually haven't charged this at all since I got it. This is the first time I'm charging it. So I actually pumped 2 of my bike tyres without charging it at all. So it came straight from the factory. So as you can see, I plugged it in. We're getting charge. So it charges just fine via USB-C. And yeah, you can use it as a light as well. Can't use it while it's charging. I wonder if you can pump while it's charging. So nope, you can't pump while it's charging. This vibrates around. It's not recommended to use it while charging anyway. But as soon as I unplug it, the light should work. You can use it as a flashlight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this air compressor. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to peel off the tape. And yeah, it's a really good air compressor for your bikes or cars or even football. So it can be used for various things. So this attachment's actually for bikes. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to end this video now. Really good bike pump. I recommend it. I would recommend getting it. Much better than pumping it manually. It's a really good, handy electric pump. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.